Hi everyone, and welcome to our DataImpulse channel. Today we'll speak about rotating and sticky proxies and which one is better to choose in your case. Just imagine, you're sitting in New York City, but you need to access data from a website that restricts your entry from your location. With proxies, you can bypass these restrictions and receive the necessary data as you are in a different country. Let's talk about rotating proxies first. They provide anonymity and privacy protection by constantly changing the user's IP address. Such frequent rotation makes it difficult for websites and online platforms to track user activity. As a result, sensitive information such as identity, location, and browsing habits are hidden. It also reduces the chances of data breaches and surveillance. The main advantage of rotating proxies is ability to bypass geo-based restrictions. They enable users to access region-locked content and access restricted services. Rotating proxies are also effective in mimicking real traffic. It makes them highly useful for many testing and analysis tasks. Setting up servers, evaluating website performance, or testing apps. In all these cases, generating different IP addresses is essential. Some of the websites use IP rate limiting to restrict the number of requests from one IP address. You'll see CAPTCHA if you go over the limit. Rotating proxies can avoid this rate and bandwidth limits. One more issue is bandwidth throttling or connection speed limit. It often happens during peak hours, especially when you're streaming online or scraping. Here, using rotating proxies is a solution. They change IPs, avoiding detection, and ensuring a smoother browser experience. Now let's move to sticky proxies. Unlike rotating proxies, sticky proxies keep the same IP address for a specific time period, usually from 1 to 30 minutes. Then a server assigns you a new IP to use for another period of time. Sticky proxies offer stability and security, but still there are concerns about the reliability of maintaining the IP address, especially with residential proxies. With sticky proxies, the connection is more stable and faster, because the IP address does not change. What's more, using the same IP address for a longer period minimizes the risk of being blocked by websites. It makes sticky proxies perfect for activities like online shopping or social media management. Sticky proxies maintain a stable connection with the same IP address throughout the purchase, so the risk of failed transactions or lost purchases is low. You can also manage multiple social media accounts. Sticky proxies look authentic to platforms, and you do not risk being banned. However, this type of proxies is not ideal for intensive tasks like web scraping. So what proxies should you choose? The first step is to set your goals. For example, if you'd like web scraping, choose rotating proxies. For managing social accounts, consider sticky proxies. At DataImpulse, we offer both rotating and sticky proxies, with over 5 million IPs from different locations. Configuring your preferred proxy is simple through our user-friendly dashboard. Ethically obtained IPs, high-speed connections, 24/7 dedicated support team. With our pay-as-you-go pricing model, you're only charged for the data you use, with no monthly subscription. It sounds perfect, doesn't it? Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more useful information. And see you in the next video.